Okay, hi everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss about one of the exception which we received in Selenium. This exception is majorly encountered with the for those who recently started learning the Selenium. Okay, and they generally see this exception like session not created exception. The only reason of this exception is the compatibility issue. So the compatibility in terms of the Chrome version which you have in your system and the version or the exe which you have downloaded from the Selenium website. Okay, as all of you know, right, we need Chrome driver, exes and everything, right? Obviously we have a new way as of nowadays as well. Without downloading this exes we can even trigger the Chrome driver or open the Chrome driver and start working, but most of us generally use this way, like we need to set the path of the driver and then only we can start, then generally we start with the Chrome driver, right? So the compatibility between these two versions in our system, right, the one which we have downloaded from Selenium side like the exe and the one which we are actually working as in Selenium, right, as in Chrome, right? So let's suppose the version which I have in my system is 96. Okay, Chrome 96 something like that, Chrome version 96, but the exe which I have downloaded for the from the Selenium WebDriver is only compatible with 94. So I'll be getting this error message like the version of the Chrome driver only supported with the version 94. Now I need the new exe for the Selenium Chrome. Okay, so what I will do, as of now, if you see, I'm using one of the Chrome version, okay, which is in my downloads folder. Okay, and I'm when I'm trying to run this, I'm getting this error. Let me run it. Okay, so for a fraction of a second you will see that it has opened the Chrome, but not actually, it encountered one error. Okay, the exception basically. So yeah, this is the exception. If you go here, if you scroll down, scroll right, you will see the version of the Chrome driver only supports with the Chrome version 94. So what I need to do is I need to download the latest version from the Selenium website, selenium dev.downloads. Just click on downloads. Okay, scroll down, you will see an option for browsers. Just click over here. Inside this you can click on Chrome documentation and you'll see the latest version of the Chrome exe. Okay, you can download this. I have already downloaded and I have already kept it in the download folders. So what I need to do is I need to change the path to the latest download. So the latest one is 4th. Okay, and maybe in your case that the path name is something else. Okay, so just change the path with the latest downloaded version and just run it. You'll see it will be, I mean, it will resolve your error and you will be able to open your Chrome. So thank you, thanks a lot.